my god, where's it coming through there? Oh!
That's it, nearly utopias.
Oh my god.
Wow, Jay!
Oh, I hate this man. This one gets better. Look, this.
Oh my god, oh my god. That's just chucking it down, man. Why did it start
That's
doing
it.
that?
No, that's it. Getting badder.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, look how Ross is now. Somebody's get out. Come in, Mum. Come in. Oh my god, right over there at the window.
Well, the scary bit.
Oh.
No, let's go back and rip one.
No, Darren, no.
Window with blowing it right underneath the car.
I know.
Robbie, Jaden, go and look at my bedroom window.
Right, I'm not gonna. I'm not going back out. It's too dangerous.
No, get back it tonight. You can back it tonight.
No.
Aye.
No, but Dad said it could be on.
Aiden.
What? Whoa! Holy Nick! Come and see it out here, man. Holy Nick!
What's going on there, Aiden?
Shit, man!
Hi, wee fuck.
Oh my god, Mum. It's fucking out in their cars.
Robbie, what do you been woke up?
Somebody's going out in a wee crappy Toyota. I'm putting this on YouTube, by the way.
You're an YouTuber.
Is it in there?
What?
Is Oscar up here? Maybe Oscar's missing.
It says going on YouTube or Facebook or something like that.
I will see it better up here.
Oh my god, did you see that? It's over there somewhere. Yeah, better if you go.
It's cool when it bangs and you feel it in your heart, guys. That's cool.
No, don't.
Aye, no, here, bye.
No,
Aye.
no, because the dog jumps out the window and lands down there. She does it all the time.
You did.
What?
What, we're going out after, man. Don't be scared. I'm going to hit you.
Are you sure? It's fault lightning that can hit you whenever it wants.
It can hit, no, it can hit you, but I just only want to hit you.
It can hit you whenever it wants.
That's how we know. I'm going to flip my coat me. What, you flip my coat me?
No.
Aye. You flip me.
Oh my god, did you see that? Mum, it's right over this.
No, it's literally banging right out of me, man.
No. You're not hugging her.
We're going.
I can we're gonna. Take it now.
Rocks! Rocks!
10 hours, man. You can hardly even see the rain in this camera. Look, just look. It's gonna end up chucking it again. Oh my god, you see that? Ah! Come on. What?
I think you just went wild, man.
Tree? Oh, remember it hit the tree earlier.
Aye. No, actually can't myself.
Look at the tree, it's actually tipping. I swear to God, look.
How many minutes has that been on for?
6, nearly 6.
God, man.
There's wee Jay coming.
Is he?
Mm-hmm.
Is he coming out?
Hi, Jay!
He's up here in the door.
What is that like, Jay? No, it's still going on.
Jay!
Right, I'm stopping this video at 6:20. Because I've not got that much room in my camera left.
Jay, come on up.
Bye! Oh my God. Comment in the comment box if you think lightning can hit you anytime.